Okay, example number 2. Find the area of the surface generated by revolving the curve y is equals to x cubed about the x-axis from x is equals to 0 to x is equals to 2. So ito, yung limits naman natin is along x. Therefore, since along x naman na to, automatic yung differential natin is dy. Kaya yung nandun sa ds natin is dy over dx. So, based dun sa formula natin. So, ito, since mayroon na tayong given na curve, ito, ipalit na lang natin yung given na limits. So, if x natin is 0, kung 0 yan, 0 cube is also 0. Okay, so if x natin is 1, 1 cube is 1. If x is 1, y is also 1. And if x natin is 2, 2 cube, that is equal to 8. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8. So, nandito yung isang point natin. Now, graphing it, para magiging ganito yung itsura ng curve natin. In which ito yung y is equals to x cube. So, i-rotate natin siya saan? Sa x-axis natin. So, pag inikot, para magiging cone yung itsura niyan. So, para magiging ganito. Liitan lang natin. So, parang magiging ganyan. Then ito, circular. Tapos ito, gano'n. Para magiging ganyan. So, ang pinapahanap is yung surface area dito. So, kukuha ulit tayo ng strip dito sa part na to. Okay? So, yung nandun sa gitna is yung height y natin. Okay? So, ito yung differential ng strip natin. Yung maliit na yan. Okay. Baguhin natin yung kulay. So, yung point dito sa gitna, yung y, tapos ito yung differential ng strip. So, from the formula, surface area is equals to 2 pi integral mula sa x sub 0 to x upper. Ito yung mali. Sa baba yung lower, sa taas yung upper. X upper, dito yung lower. So, y, square root ng 1 plus dy over dx squared differential of x. dx to since naka-x yung limits natin. And dx dito sa ilalim. So, dy over dx, kunin muna natin. If y natin is x is cube, y is dy. What is dy? So, power formula magiging 3x squared dx. So, dividing both sides by dx, dy over dx is equals to 3x squared. And y is equals to x cubed. Now, substituting dun sa formula, magiging na siyang surface area is equals to 2 pi integral ng y natin is equals to x cubed. So, palitan natin yung y ng x cubed times square root ng 1 plus dy over dx that is equals to 3 plus 3 plus na pati. Hindi plus. 3x squared 3x squared tapos naka-square pa siya differential of x. Now, simplifying this, magiging na siyang 2 pi. Integral limits natin mula sa 0 hanggang 2. So, 0 hanggang 2 x cubed times square root ng 1 plus 3 squared is 9 x squared tapos sin-square pa natin that is equal to x to the 4th dx. Now, how we will integrate it? Paano natin to integrate? By power formula. Since ito naka-x raised to 4 naman na. So, paano natin yan gagawin? So, kung yung nasa loob natin, if we let u is equals to 1 plus 9x raised to 4. Ano yung du dapat natin? Differential ng 1 is 0. Differential ito is 9 times x, bababa, power form, chain rule, 4 times x cube dx. So, ang meron lang tayo is x cube dx. Wala tayo nung 9 times 4 which is 36 x cube dx. So, kailangan natin ng 36 dito sa dulo. So, magiging surface area is equals to 2 pi over 36 mula sa 0 hanggang 2 ng x cubed times 1 plus 9x to the 4th raised to 1 half. And natin dito is 1 half. So, times 36 dx. So, yung 36 x cubed dx, yan na yung magiging du natin. Okay, so magiging 2 over 36. 36 divided by 2 is, that is equal to 18. So, pi over 18, 0 to 2. Tapos, integrate na pala natin. So, alisin na natin to. Since naka u raised to and du na tayo. So, u natin is 1 plus 9x raised to 4 raised to 3 over 2. Bakit 3 over 2? 1 half plus 1 over 3 over 2, limit mula sa 0 hanggang 2. Okay? Now, using our calculator, dating gawi, store na lang natin. Pi over 18 times fraction 1 plus 9 x squared. So, huwag kakalimutan yung another parenthesis dito. Tapos naka-square pa yan over 3 over 2. Then, close parenthesis, we will calc it at 2 and store it at A. Bottoms up. Then, we will calc it again at 0 and store it at B. Then, alpha A, upper minus lower. So, we will get our answer as 159.17 square units.